Good morning, world. Welcome back to my channel. Damn, this looks really dark. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do a segment called Days Off with Julie. I've seen a lot of YouTube videos about a day in a life with somebody, but a day in a life with me is really boring, so I didn't want to do videos like that. Just because I do work, and a day in a life with me is gym, sleep, work. Like, it's just very repetitive, so it's just, I'm not doing that. Today is my day off from all that routine, and I decided to take you guys with me. I hope you enjoy. Let me change the damn camera. Today we cleaned up a little bit, and I'm going to show you guys a couple of essentials that I carry to the beach. Start off on this side. Today I'm going more for a sporty look. So here are my sandals for the beach, waterproof. Don't know where I got them. I've had them for years. They're so old and dirty. If you want to donate a pair of sandals, I'm highly open to it. Thank you. Then we got my outfit. The outfit is mainly from Aeropostale. So you guys know I've been gaining weight and I needed new shorts. But here we go. We got these cute distressed shorts. The bathing suit we're wearing today is from Zaful. And we got the shirt from Aeropostale, Girls Inspire Girls. Super good. Since we're going for a more sporty vibe today, we got our ADIDAS hat. And then here we got some main essentials. So this one and this one are both sun tanning lotion. This one I got from Colombia. It's called TANGA. This one's really good just because it's its own insect repellent and it's a suntan lotion. Amazing. This one, on the other hand, I'm pretty sure you've seen in your local CVS. It's from Banana Boat. It protects you from the sun, but also it's really good for tanning. Then we have the AVEENO Hydro Sport Wet Skin Spray Sunscreen, SPF 30. Super good for water because it's waterproof. Then here we have Garnier's Whole Blends, Coconut Oil and Cocoa Butter Leave-In Conditioner, which is really good to put on once you've gotten your hair wet at the beach so it doesn't feel disgusting afterwards. This is actually one of my secret weapons when it comes to tanning. It's Just Natural Body Nutritive Serum. This is supposed to be a type of lotion, I guess, like an oily lotion for your body, but I've seen a lot of reviews of people using it to tan, and this is an amazing tanner. And then here we have a brush, but not any type of brush. This is a Tangle Teaser, but it's super good for wet hair. I love to use this after the beach once my conditioner is on. And then here we have SUPERGOOP's Unseen Sunscreen. This is perfect for your face. It says water and sweat resistant for 40 minutes, SPF 40, and this one's specifically for your face. It doesn't leave your face white. That's why it says Unseen Sunscreen. It's actually invisible. And last but not least, my deodorant for when you get out of the water and you don't have to stink. Alrighty. Just have to pop that hat and that's it. We are good. So leave this in the laundry. We have to walk this little munchkin. Ooh, that was easy. Back home. Are you ready for your cookie? Wait, let me take this off here. Yeah, I don't know why, but he likes eating his damn cookie on my bed. Okay, now we're finally ready to leave. See, it's just not easy. Be right back.
Recuerda, se ven las caras, pero nunca el corazón.
We're picking up food. Hello. Food.
Is this part of your stupid vlog?
Yes, it is.
Really?
Yeah.
I did not permit in this video. I did not permit my voice. You have to pay me.
I'll mute you. It's okay.
All right, thank you. Cheap bastard.
We're getting the 10-piece. Better. It's so much emptier. It's so good. It's so much calmer and it's emptier. So let's see how this goes. So we're done with our pool / beach day. I'm actually burnt a lot. I'm in a little bit of pain. Boobs is very tan as well. Did you have fun? He said yes. He's an asshole. But now we're here having a couple chicken and some sodas on this hot day. But how cute is this place? And then they have cabanas and a little bit of like barbecuing over there. Really cute, really nice. And it was a lot of fun. It's clean. Little stroll on the sunset on this beach. This is the pool we were in earlier. So good, so cute, so cheap. We actually got in without paying. We didn't know we had to pay, and we just walked in. Nobody told us anything. So pretty. Look at that. What is it, a restaurant booth or a bar?
I like the way you think.
Ay, mire el pollito. Me está haciendo lechona. Pick up that laundry that we left earlier, and that's it. That's all day off. It wasn't bad at all. Went to the beach, went to the pool, did like literally everything in a day. Actually got pretty tan, maybe a little bit too much, a little itchy. Probably get home, put on some aloe vera, and take a shower. Actually, take a shower first. Take a shower first. Put on. Take a shower, put on aloe vera, and rest till tomorrow. It was such a long day. It's already 7:48, like 8 o'clock already. Can you believe that? And we were up at what, 9? But yeah. Until next time, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed. And if you want more videos like this of things, little things I do on my day off, I will definitely film them for you. Only if I'm doing something on my day off. But I guess till next time, I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye, guys.